In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable double confirmation in Kit. Double confirmation, sometimes called double opt-in, is a simple but powerful way to make sure that every person who joins your list really wants to be there. It helps improve your email deliverability, keeps your list cleaner, and protects you from fake or mistyped addresses. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through turning it on for a form or landing page inside Kit, and we'll also look at how to customize the confirmation email your subscribers receive. First, open Kit and head to the Grow section. In the main navigation, look for Grow, then choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your opt-in forms and landing pages are managed. Take a moment to locate the specific form or landing page where you want to enable double confirmation, especially if you have a lot of them. Next, click on the name of that form or landing page. This will open its editing view, where you can adjust the design, content, and underlying settings. At the top of the screen, you'll see a menu bar. Look for the Settings button and click it. Settings is where you control how the form behaves after someone subscribes. Once you're in the Settings area, look at the left-hand sidebar and select the Incentive tab. The Incentive section is all about what happens after someone signs up, including the confirmation email they receive. Here, you'll see an option labeled Send Incentive Email. Check the box next to Send Incentive Email. By turning this on, you're telling Kit that subscribers should only be marked as confirmed after they click the button in that email. Until they click, they stay unconfirmed, which is exactly how double confirmation works. If you want to go a step further, you can customize this confirmation email. Click Edit Email Contents. This lets you adjust the subject line, the body text, and the button text so it matches your brand voice and makes it crystal clear what the subscriber needs to do. A clear call to action like confirm your subscription can really help here. When you're happy with everything, scroll to the bottom of the settings window and click Save. This makes sure your changes are stored. Finally, in the top right corner, click Publish to push those changes live. Once published, anyone who signs up through that form or landing page will go through the double confirmation process you've just set up.